Urban Boondocking Do's and Don'ts for a hassle-free experience. Research your city and its boondocking laws. Stealth and silence is the key. Leave no trace. Do not dump on the streets. Slip into your parking spot after dark and leave before sunrise. Have solar panels and good batteries. Opt for inconspicuous parking, slipping into the shadows after sunset and vanishing by sunrise. Where to park? Stay undercover. Seek industrial areas and quiet cul-de-sacs. Out of sight and out of mind. In residential zones, choose spots where your vehicle remains unseen from nearby houses. Think large trees, sturdy fences, and protective walls. Never overstay your welcome. Move daily. Avoid suspicion. Leave no trace. If you found these tips valuable, then please hit the subscribe button and show some love with a like. And that's how you can take your camping experience to the next level.